Hello, my name is Matthew Stillwell, and today I'm going to be taking you through exercise 2 on page 17 of the second books of the Hot House Drumming curriculum. I'm going to play it slowly for you, and then I'm going to pick up the tempo and play it at faster speed. Here's the slow speed. That was the slow speed, and now I'm going to play it a little bit more quickly for you. There you go, that's exercise 2 from page 17 of books 2 from the Hot House Drumming curriculum. I hope this has been informative. Thank you very much.